What's going on, Pyros? So I got another mega shark from Raccoon, 9 shots. Amazing brand. It's there's the tubes for you. Pretty good size. I want to say 1.25 inches. This thing fucking smacks. I mean, last year, amazing for a consumer cake. I don't know if they watered it down. I don't know what year this is, but I was very pleased with what I got last year. So, performance on it is peach and yellow dahlia and blue stars and gold strobe, teal and peach, grass green and yellow dahlia with white strobe, sea blue and purple, lemon and yellow dahlia with green strobe. Yeah, I have it on my channel, so if you guys are curious, check out the other video. If this one doesn't smack like I think it's going to, that one did. That hit. So if you see it, I definitely recommend you guys picking it up. Beautiful, beautiful cake from Raccoon, as always. So have a good night, Pyros. I'll see you again on another update. Mega shark.
Can't tell from what it's shooting off.
No, I know what he's up there. We did this one last year.